If you are not running a home business or a digital business that you can work from anywhere in the world, here are some massive, massive perks and why you may want to consider starting one. Hi, my name is Christina Whiteley. I moved my family from Canada to Mexico 2 years ago because we were ready for a different adventure and wanted to experience different cultures, but also because we wanted to take advantage of the fact that we could work from anywhere in the world. I also help entrepreneurs develop business ideas that they can turn into a six-figure business working part-time. Number one, the perk is you can live anywhere. If you want to go take the winter off and go live somewhere where it's hot and sunny and live at the beach, you can go do that. If you've wanted to travel Europe or travel Asia, you can go do that and continue to work and make money. You also get to set your own hours and work on your own schedule. So you get to spend a lot more time with your family or the people that you love doing the things that you love to do as opposed to being set at a 9 to 5. You can create reoccurring revenue by boxing up your skill set and selling it as a course or selling it as a webinar or selling it as a program that people can join you on live. Tax write-offs. You can pay less tax by writing off things that you're already purchasing or things that you're purchasing for business, such as your internet and phone bill. You can literally work with people all over the world. It's pretty incredible. You can find your ideal and dream customers or clients online, and they don't necessarily need to be in the same location as you or even in the same country as you. And you don't have to do it alone. You can hire a VA, a virtual assistant, and let them help you build business using their areas of expertise while you get to use your creativity and wisdom. And you're not stuck in one location. I remember when I was a hairstylist, I couldn't leave the city because my entire clientele was there. And I also wanted to live in the country, but wouldn't be able to charge as much as I could in the city with city prices. See, I'm a firm believer in working to create an income around your ideal and desired lifestyle. That's what I teach people how to do. Enjoy their life, have a lot of fun, but make money while they're doing it. And here's the kicker. Anybody can start up a business like this with very low startup costs. You just have to be committed to a long-term vision and know where you're going so that you can work alongside people that can help get you there faster. If this is helpful, make sure that you follow for more tips like this. And if you've got a business idea that you're working on and you're just not sure how to monetize, make sure that you reach out and we can have a conversation. Even if you're already running a big business and maybe you want other streams of income, there's always a really simple way to adjust course and find a little bit more money that you're leaving on the table right now.